How to change profile picture on Duolingo. Now, if you proceed here to Duolingo, right? Now, if you click on your avatar, you will just be given an option to change your avatar, edit your avatar here, and not to change your profile picture. Now, to be able to bypass that, or to be able to change our profile picture on Duolingo, so what you're gonna do is you have to go to your Chrome or to your desktop, or like if you already have a laptop there, it will work perfectly. But if you're just using a phone, I recommend you to go to a browser that could be set on desktop site. Now here, for example, Google Chrome here, I have here. All you have to do is to log in your account to duolingo.com there, log in your account, and on the bottom part, you'll see three dots there, and scroll down up until you see request to change to desktop site. And as you can see, I already have request to mobile site because I have already set it to desktop site. Now, after setting it up to desktop, what you're gonna do next is you may want to go here to this profile icon here. Click on that. And then here, you will see your avatar, right? Now, you will see a little pen on that avatar. Click on that pen. And here, to change your profile picture, you will have to choose a file. Click on choose file and tap on your photo library. If it's already in your gallery, if you want, or if you want to take a selfie on that, tap on take photo, or if you already saved it to your file, choose file. For me, let's just set it to photo library. For example, this one, I have chosen this. Tap on done, and then tap on save changes. Now let's just load it up again. And if you go back here to your profile, as you can see, you have now successfully changed your profile picture on Duolingo. You will have your avatar, but once you change it to desktop or go use Duolingo to a desktop or your laptop or computer, the profile picture will now look like this. And basically, that is it. And that is how you change your profile picture in Duolingo. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.